Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to paper trade on Webull. Firstly, download the Webull app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and log in to your account. On the Webull home screen, tap the menu button in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find the paper trading option, then tap on it. You will be taken to the paper trading dashboard. You can set your account value by tapping on the settings icon. Choose an amount similar to your real account to simulate realistic trading. The dashboard will show account value, profit and loss, current positions, open orders or trading contests. Just tap the Quick Trade button and enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade. After selecting your stock, you'll see the chart and details. Tap the yellow paper trading button at the bottom. Now choose buy or sell, then set the order type like market, limit, stop, etc. Enter the quantity of shares and confirm your trade settings, then tap place order. Now go back to the paper trading dashboard, check the P&L, orders and account value to monitor your trade. You can view completed orders and performance report from the dashboard. Occasionally, Webull hosts paper trading contests. Participate to practice trading and possibly win rewards like Amazon gift cards. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.